I just want to dedicate this vlog to my auntie Bona. Oh my gosh, no I'm not! Oh! Guys, so we've just checked in. If you know where this place is.
We've got 3 beds here, but only 2 of us. We're gonna sleep here 1 hour, sleep here another 2 hours, and then sleep here another 1 hour.
Tell me, why is there a phone here?
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. This vlog, before I start off, I just want to dedicate this vlog to my auntie Bona, who passed away. I dedicate this vlog to her and her son, Uelese. So, I mean, it's not about me. This is something very minor, but the way that I found out was so annoying. Aussie came to kiss me to go before he went to work, and then as he kissed me and walked out the door, like I'm half asleep, like 80% asleep, 20% awake, he turns around and says, "Kalofasi finger bona walk," and then walks out the door and closes it. And this is at 5:30, and I'm like, so obviously I couldn't go back to sleep, and I just couldn't stop thinking about her. If you remember a vlog that I did about my uncle passing away back in May, that's her husband. And so Uelese has lost both of his parents in the span of 5 to 6 months, and I'm just so heartbroken for him, like, especially because like he was really close with his mum, and his mum was really close with him. I don't know if you remember, if you watched our vlogs, if you've been watching for a while, you would have seen I vlogged his 20th. We went to the foreshore here in Canberra, and we vlogged his 20th. And his mum has passed away just shy of his 21st, which is very, very soon. Anyways, guys, I better put this down because my arm's getting sore and I should not be doing this. I've just come to pick up my sister, guys. It's really windy. The weather's been so crazy here in Canberra. Like, it cannot make up its mind. I also want to use her new washing machine. She got a new washing machine. These sheets were washed and then they got wet again from the rain. So I'm gonna take this inside. Oh my gosh, no I'm not!
Because you started brushing it.
Yeah, I did! So we've just spent like a couple of hours reminiscing about my auntie. Talking about the days, the moments.
We love you, Auntie Bona.
Crying, grieving.
And Uelese.
Today we dedicate this vlog to her and to Uelese. Sending you so much love. So much love to Uelese, but we're off to go and get a boost.
To boost us up.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix my hair.
Yeah.
We're gonna go and buy some boost. Just get out of the house for a little bit.
Put the ball in there and bring it.
I'm going with my sister because I gave my car to my parents to go to do what they need to do. Oh, look at this couch. Are they chucking it out?
I hope so. Put your seatbelt on and move my wallet and the tissue box.
Ew, it still smells like a new car. Why is that ew? I said ooh. Hey buddies. How's it going, buds? Are you two buds?
No.
What are you then?
We're brothers. Yeah, not buds. Like minions. Why are we minions? We have to talk like this.
That's how you really do talk. What do you mean? I thought that's how you do talk. Can't even see. The God of the day. We're home now. I actually forgot to take you guys out of the car when we went to go get food. I'm so sorry. I'm feeling really tired. I've been up since like 5:30 this morning. I only had 5 hours sleep, although some people had less than me, so I'll take my 5 hours. But we're just at the moment, everyone's just trying to look for a song to sing. Not too sure if it's gonna be sung, but it's better to be prepared than unprepared. So I'm just gonna be with the ones like, you know, in the background somewhere because I actually can't sing. Sweet Jesus.
And tomorrow may never be mine.
And tomorrow may I never be mine.
Lord, help me today.
Oh my gosh, pink and purple. Remember when I told you, Sia, that topic that I talked about in my mukbang? And I was worried. Someone said, so long.
I cannot get the Michelle. I cannot get the lyrics.
What do you mean?
Because of the tune.
That was Molly.
Oh, thanks, Aunty Molly.
Leke! Lebe! Hi, little bear!
Oh, what are the comb
Hi, little bear!
Go comb his hair. Go comb his hair. I can't. He's gonna run away from me.
Hi, little bear!
She's gonna have milk of that bottle.
He's the cutest little bear. Wait, comb his hair, comb his hair!
Oh, wow. Oh, sorry. Molly?
Fighting over it.
She can't suck.
Oh, she's so cute. Another vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, we can just go straight into a SV squad. Oh my god, I just saw a big fat spider. This house has a lot of bugs, especially because it's been raining a lot. We've been finding like the tiny spiders like everywhere on the roof because they're all trying to get to higher ground. And I hate it. I hate it so much. I don't like bugs. You know, some of my workmates are like, just leave them. They eat the flies. No! Go and eat the flies at someone else's house. Go and eat the flies outside. Do not eat the flies here. I don't care. I would rather have flies than have spiders because I can just spray them and they will die. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would know we have a visitor. We have intruded somebody else's territory by moving into this house. Someone was already living here before we moved in here. And his name, I've named him Julio. Julio is a blue-tongued lizard, which apparently has been living here for 10-15 years. And because they're very territorial, they don't move. Generally, they don't move. Once they're somewhere, that's their place. And so when I saw it, I called wildlife straight away because I was like, get this thing out of here. Get it out. I don't want it here. Holy crap. It's looking at me. It's looking at me. What are you doing here? Oh my god! It's a blue-tongued lizard. Aussie came home to try and kill it, but blue-tongued lizards are protected species, so you can't kill it. You get big fines, but I'm sure people in their backyards kill them anyways because they're not educated. So the wildlife man came to collect it, but didn't come to collect it, guys. He came to educate us. He didn't even come to collect it. I didn't see no sack in his hand. He was like an old 60-plus-year-old man coming in with his walking stick. He did not look like he was coming to collect it. Mans looked like he was coming to tell us, convince us, to give us information, because he is still here. Julio is still living here. And Aussie is not happy about that, but I just said, like, I'm just happy that it's not harmful. The most that they can do, which the wildlife man explained, is they hiss at you, but that's it. They don't bite. They try and like puff up their chest and like intimidate you, but they're not harmful creatures. They want nothing to do with humans. So I was like, you know what? It was really hard for me to do that, but I said, you know what, just leave it. So just a couple days ago, I didn't want anything to do with it. Today, I'm feeding it. I've named it Julio. Don't ask me why. I just think Julio is a nice name. And so I was too chicken, because apparently he would be living in that bed, box tree bush. And I was too chicken to like put my hand in there. So what I've done is just left the strawberries on the ground there, and hopefully Julio comes back and has something to eat. I should have put it in the shade, but honestly, I'm terrified. I'm terrified to go outside, even to put my washing out. It's scary for me. I'm just trying to get used to it. So I put it there because my door's over here and it's all the way around the corner. So I don't want anything. I don't want it coming to my door. I don't want it, you know, to get used to me feeding it and it coming here. Like, no. Oh, it's kind of hot. The weather is definitely getting hotter. I haven't really done my hair, but that's okay. I'm just going to go and get eyebrows done. It's only going to be like, I don't know, a 15-minute appointment, but it needs to be done. I'm back in the office next week. I'm a little sad about it, just because I've gotten so accustomed to being at home. But I mean, it's just the way that life is meant to be. Like, no one's really meant to be in their house all day, working, sleeping, eating, you know what I mean, in their house. It's just the way that the world needs. I'm just happy to just go back to some form of routine. But I'm gonna go get these eyebrows done. Also, some people have been asking for an update with my garden stalker. We've just given up. We've just let it go. So I haven't really actively been like coming out to check. Can you see that piece of poo there? Somebody literally came, trampled over it. Looks like a dog has. But I don't know if like they sprayed it, because I can't even explain it. Like, you see those ones over there where they're like really, I don't know if someone sprayed it or they've just died because of the, you know what I mean? I don't know. I just don't know. What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're in a bit of a rush at the moment. Because today we're going to Sydney. We're going to be staying the night there, then coming back tomorrow, because her funeral is actually tomorrow, but we got to go up because if you know, you know. So I'm wanting, we're only going to be there for one night, so packing very, very light. Although your girl got to get her snacks. We just came to pick up Mum. Mum's coming with us. My dad's already there, I guess. Almost everyone's already gone at this point. Still on the road, guys. Just past Golden. Hey, you'll see. Guys, so we've just checked in. If you know, you know where this place is. Oh. There's Missy over there. She's already in. We're gonna order from the steakhouse. No, Lone Star. So that's Emma in the girls' room. Oh, downstairs. Emily. Wait, is that a family one? And Sia. No, that's Aso and Sia's room. This is Angamaiko and Lingeka's room. And that's Mum and Dad's. So where's mine? Yours is like probably there. Oh, she said by the pool. So is the pool still open or? Yeah, it's open till 9. Oh, okay. Babe, seriously? Yeah. Oh, it's pretty big. It's huge. Wow, we get the best view. By the pool. Maya ka pokusol. So this is where it's at. Oh my gosh, this is a bed. This is a sofa bed as well. So there's pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 beds here. This could literally fit a whole family. So we got the family suite because it was only $10 extra versus just having like a 1 bed kind of situation. So we just wanted the bigger space, I suppose. This is not that bad.
Looks nice, eh?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Your boy Georgie over here.
Yeah. We're gonna go and eat. Oh, I need a pee.
So it looks nice. Look.
Oh, the bathroom's nice.
We got 3 beds here, but only 2 of us. So gonna sleep here 1 hour, sleep here another 2 hours, and then sleep here another 1 hour. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep there tonight. So hope you guys like this video. There's a pool down there, swimming pool, and it's nice. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect for me, you know? Look, 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 look.
So this is the bathroom, guys. Tell me, why is there a phone here? I'd really like to know. Why? You better shut up, listen. You better shut up. So I'm sleeping on this bed, also you're sleeping on that one. So imagine that. So then a thousand becomes a million.
Yeah.
Or even, I would be happy with just 100,000 pretty much. Oh my gosh, Lilo came.
Oh, he did come. Oh, he came with Sia to come get Sia's clothes, maybe.
Ah.
Shout out to Lilo. If you guys are in Sydney, go to Ink Arcade and follow them. That's him and his brother, my cousin, who own Ink Arcade. Ink Arcade. What's your business, Lilo? What's your business?
Yeah, this is my cousin.
Hello.
This is oh, you're too dark too, bro.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm in a key for I don't know.
Hey.
Okay, whoa, via text. If for sale, come on out. Hi guys, just had a shower. I also just got off live. It's 1:30 and I'm gonna catch some snoozes. And shout out to everyone who was on my live tonight. Thank you for the entertainment, but I'm gonna get some sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Mata mafai Olo oilela ilo taui Olo fatali mai.
Thank God for giving me a wonderful son.
Amen.
And for this long 20 years. It's such a good boy, and I can feel every day he loves me so much. So, hi, ano gusto niya din?
Uya ita ualet ni tausini yoga Tatipale ile